everyone, this is Alan from BMW Durham, back again with another video. We have another new arrival. It's a 2025 BMW M2 in Alpine White with a manual transmission. Alright, so this is the 2025 BMW M2 LCI in Alpine White. Let me just press unlock on the key and we're going to get those headlights to turn on. And we're going to do some pathway lighting. I'm just going to press the panic button for 1 second so we can get the low beams on. So that looks pretty sweet. I'm going to do a lap all the way around the vehicle. And then we can take a closer look at all the details and how this lovely M2 is equipped. So let's do it. Let's take a look at all the details. All right, so we got Alpine White and we're looking at the hood right now. So we've got this nice angular line that comes down and in. And then we've got, of course, a big power dome. So regardless of which 2 Series you get in the G chassis, you get the power dome, which is pretty sweet, until we're starting to talk about Grand Coupe. And then we've got the rondelle up front. We've got the squared off kidneys with the horizontal slats with the M2 badging in black with the silver lining for 2025. And then we've got the square intakes at the bottom. And of course we've got everything blacked out down here. Now I know that a lot of you have seen the new version 2 Adro bumper. It does look pretty sweet. I do like the design. But I really like the design of this bumper too. I don't really have any problem with it. I think it looks great. But it is interesting. If you have that Adro bumper on your M2, come show me. I want to see it in person. But it does look good. Definitely looks more custom than this, more individual. But I really have no problem with the existing bumper design. And of course we need like a front splitter and whatnot, but it will look perfect even with this bumper. Now with that being said, we do have the individual Shadowline BMW LED headlights, so it's all blacked out in there. And again, we'll turn on the low beam so you can see that all lit up. I love all the little intricate little lines and details in the BMW headlight. I think that looks really cool. And then when we come to the side here, you'll see that we have the 19-inch front, 20-inch rear, double spoke 930M wheels, JetBlack burnish with the red M compound brake. White with red brakes always looks good, and with this bicolor burnished wheel looks really good. I think it would look good with black wheels too, but this wheel looks really good in the burnished color. Silver also looks really good though, so yeah. We have, I'm just gonna step back for a second so you can see that side profile. This car looks awesome. I love the big, huge, boxy fenders. I know some of you do not, but I like them a lot. We have body-colored M wing mirror with the integrated turn signal. We have carbon fiber roof up top. And we have the new style antenna. We have integrated flush door handles. And I really like that line that goes across here. And I really like this rear quarter. Just look at how it protrudes like that. You'll be confused looking in your side view mirror as to what this means. And there is your rear 20-inch 930M wheel. We've got the Hofmeister kink here. We have body-colored spoiler on the trunk lid. And back here we have the G Generation 2 Series tail lights, which have now become quite iconic. We have the vertical reflectors on the widest part of the rear bumper. M2 badging once again in black with the silver lining. We've got the camera up here with the license plate bracket, and there's your quad exhaust. That looks sweet with the black rear diffuser. And just a quick peek underneath there. There's your muffler. So that is sweet. Here's the key. I'm going to press and hold the tailgate button so we can open this up. And once this opens up, you'll see inside of here, there's your trunk. Carpeted floor mats are here. We have a release lever on each side so we can fold down the seats in a 60-40 split. We also have a grocery bag hanger right here. This side has your front plate bracket, your little package here that has your tire inflator kit, wheel lock key, tow hook, netted area is over here. And then this side doesn't really have anything. And then up top, there are handles on the inside of the trunk lid, so you can grab them and you can close this without touching the exterior of the vehicle. So that is sweet. When we come around to the passenger side, you'll see that we have the fuel cap door here. So if I press this, you'll see that inside we're looking for 93 octane. BMW M recommends Shell V-Power. It's counterclockwise, one click to open this. There's a little spot here to put it, and when you're done, it's just clockwise, one click. So make sure you put 93 octane. And I'm just gonna open the front passenger door. And once it's opened up, you'll see that we've got the Harman Kardon sound system. We have the M illuminated highlighters. And inside of here, we've got the black with the M highlighter accents on the M carbon bucket seats. I love these seats, they look so good. And we've got the M2 door sill here in aluminum. And just another, man, look at these seats. We've got the side bolster, lovely carbon fiber for your crotch. Glove box, this is your personal eSIM that doesn't work in Canada. We have your vents that can close or open and direct. We have the carbon fiber trim inside of here. We have iDrive 8.5 M specific on the curved display here, so that is pretty sweet. And we've got some soft touch materials on the dash here. And we have the correct transmission. I know a lot of you will say that our gear shifter is a little rubbery. You're not wrong. We have the new cascading light design here with the vents. Down here, we also have the wireless charger, USB Type A, cup holders, 12 volt plug, push start button in red, iDrive controller, lovely carbon fiber. Open this up. Your wireless charger is actually there because this is the manual, I forgot that. So it's just phone face outward this way, USB Type C is here. So that's actually just a storage space on the manual. So let's go ahead and shut this door. Let's open the driver door next. All right, so let's approach from the driver's side. Open up that door. So inside again, Harman Kardon. Nice stitching on the actual door handle. Hofmeister kink door handle, unlock, lock, memory buttons, M illuminated highlighters, window switches, side mirror controls are here. And we have your trunk release here. There's some pockets here that fits a nice water bottle. And then we have the M2 door sill down here in aluminum. And there's your driver's side M carbon bucket seat with the M highlighter colors. The M2 illuminates on the headrest. And just gonna lift this up. Got the M strap on there, that looks sweet. And a quick gratuitous look at the back of this carbon fiber chair. We also have the M seat belts in here. And in the rear seating area, so they do have the headrest that can flip up. No armrest, but there's a pass-through through the center. M seat belts in the rear. Nice stitching, so we've got the Vernosca leather interior back here, which is sweet. Vents in the back of the center console. Winter mats. There's also some vents underneath. And once I put the seat in the recline angle, I'll go back to where we previously started. We have the new LCI flat bottom steering wheel with the M at 6 o'clock, red marker at 12 o'clock. We also have the M tricolor stitching, carbon fiber on the steering wheel. M1 config, M2 config buttons are here. We have the head-up display as well. And there is iDrive 8.5 M specific. And up top, we've got the universal garage door opener buttons. And while we are here, I just wanted to quickly take a look at something. We've got the M drift analyzer. And as far as interior lighting goes, I just want to put the brightness up. And I think we should change this. What do you think? I usually go to Flamingo because it looks sweet. Azure looks also really good. I kind of also like Emerald. Looks kind of cool. Anyways, we'll probably change that after. You got your visor with the mirror opening the light. Oh yeah, and the visor does come out and extends. And then up top, we've got the lights, SOS button for roadside assistance, black headliner, microphones on the ceiling on either side. Okay, so I think we've seen what we need to see in here. Let's go ahead and pop the hood. So it's just down here, 2 pulls, 1, 2. So when we arrive to the front of the vehicle, we will not have to find anything underneath here. We just have to lift this up. And once this is open, you'll see that we have the beautiful S58 3-liter inline-6 twin turbo. We now have 473 horsepower, 406 foot-pounds of torque. We've got the triangular strut brace, positive battery terminal, negative battery terminal, washer fluid goes in there. What a beast this is. I love the M2. BMWs have 2 latches under the hood, so it just means that they both have to close at the same time. So if you want to just bring the hood about halfway, you literally just got to send her down. Alright, so before we conclude the video, I'm going to do one more lap all the way around the vehicle. I love the M2. I really should get one. Really can't justify it. There's so many reasons why it doesn't make sense for me to have this car. But I still want it very, very strongly. The main motivating factors: full M car, manual transmission, rear wheel drive, all the cool carbon stuff. The main reasons why I shouldn't: the price, the gas it takes, how much it'll cost me for tires. It's not practical really for my family. But you know, those are minor reasons. What do you think of this spec M2 in Alpine White? Let me know in the comments below. All right, everyone, so that was my tour of this beautiful 2025 BMW M2 LCI in Alpine White with the M carbon buckets and the 6-speed manual transmission. This spec is really sweet. I would drive this. I love how everything looks on here. What do you think? If you like the car, if you like the video, if you like me, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. I'll put the pricing information in the description below. Please follow me on Instagram. It's @AlanBMWDurham. We'll see you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching.